Bali is a unique place. The landscape is beautiful and the culture is amazing. But you can, as you can see, it's so modern too. So it's so unique. I love everything about Bali.
And today I'm skating at Kuta Beach Skatepark. It is skatepark from Motion Skate Top in the Bali, the biggest skate shop in the Bali.
I'm visiting from Australia, here for a week. And yeah, look for some local skate spots. This one's good, it's right on the beach. Got the sunset in the background over there. Got a lot of surfboards for rent here. Guys are making you pay to sit on the chairs, but I guess that's okay because there's not a lot of chairs around.
We're in Kuta right now. Very beautiful part of Bali, and as you can see, this beautiful stretch of beach here. A lot going on. Skate park.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face.
Skateboarding is exercise, but it's not boring like the gym. It's always different every time, and you have to be super focused, super present. All the shit that's going on in your life, you can't even think about it when you're skateboarding, because if you do, you'll wipe out and maybe break your leg or something. So it's really good to get present, and cool crew over here. Everyone's very social, so it's a friendship circle, it's exercise, and yeah man, skateboarding continuously evolving, never a day the same. So that's why people do it.
I'm 25 years old. I'm living in Bali because I really love Bali. We have a really amazing sunset, amazing park, and I'm playing here almost every day for skate because I really love skate. Yeah, skate is not like for learning or something, but skate for heaven. For skating, I'm meeting a lot of friends to every country, every city. Plus, we have fun in here. We got a boring about the club or something, so we just go to skate park almost every day.
Trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities.
I'm a muralist, but I'm also a realist. So my painting mostly as a realist. So this is like out of my comfort zone. As you can see, I just doodling. I'm making something about my anxiety. I mean, as an artist, you always have an anxiety about anything. This is my therapy. I turn it into art. This is just my illustration while I'm waiting for my daughter in the skate park. Always in the skate park.
So since your daughter is doing skateboarding, are you not afraid she will get hurt?
Of course I'm afraid, but she loved it. From the first time she felt so hard, I want her to stop it. She didn't want to stop at all. So that's her passion. I mean, she wears protection, and I want her to take step by step how to fall first, and then trick by trick, learn from the best. There's so many good skaters in here, so she can ask. If you want to learn skateboarding, it depends on you. It depends you brave or not, you scared or not. If you fall down, you need just to wake up to cover again, and then you go skate again.
I have this one broken. This one is not good. And this one, like an ankle from this box. Yeah. So crazy.
Yeah, I hurt my arms, my knees, my ankles. I was so sick. It's still going.
Since how many years you're doing this? Like Basangsa was 13 and now I'm 34. So you do the maths. 20 years. Lots of practice, man. And you never get You never get as good as pros.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest. There ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
And sick ball, just flows, polished concrete. Good street section over there. The youngsters are killing it. Some of the older guys are killing it even more. And yeah, man, Kuta Beach Skate Park, very sick.
Hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in